Hello, Internet. I'm having problems with my PGO Metro 50, aka the Buddy, 2000 and I don't know 5 or 7 or something, two-stroke one, if that narrows it down. But I can't. How do I want to prop this phone up? I can't get it to start. Let me get this out of the way. I just charged it up on my trickle charger. I got this battery tender junior. Kind of plugs in here. That's hooked up to the battery. I bought this used last summer, but I didn't really get to ride it, so I kind of put it away. But when I bought it, it worked great. I mean, I took it for a test drive. It kicked up to a little over 70, I think, which was pretty nice, and ran really well. Electric start worked. Everything seemed to work. So I put it on the trickle charger. It certainly charged. Oh, I don't know why I keep trying to set this down. So I got it in the on position right now. It's on, and like the blinker works, and the light, nice and bright. This one, same deal. So I think the battery charged fine, and the battery's good. That light comes on when I turn it on, which I believe it's supposed to. The electric start doesn't work. I just get that. Sometimes I'll get like a metallic clink, a metallic squink. The first time, if I haven't tried it in like a day or whatever, like the first time I tried this, it made like a really loud kind of metal kind of ping sound. So electric start doesn't work. The kickstart also, just nothing, doesn't work. So that's it. I don't know. I think I changed the spark plug on it last because I bought it in the spring, and then in the fall I checked it again, and it was it would kickstart, I think, but the electric start wasn't working, and I thought maybe it just needed a new spark plug. That's really the only thing I know how to do on scooters. So I gave that a shot. It didn't work. And so this is where I'm at now. It won't start with the kick or the electric, but the battery chargers. And like I said, it worked great when I bought it. And I bought it. I took it for a test drive. I drove it around my street a couple of times. And then I put it away. So that's where I'm at. I don't know. If anybody can help me, it would be greatly appreciated. Okay, thanks. Bye.